Well, this thing turned out slicker than goose poop on a pump handle, and I'm not kidding you. In person, fantastic. We swapped the engine, we took out that tired 283, put in this hopped up 350. I don't know what's in it. It's a mystery, but it sure runs great. New fuel make it happener, lightning system, hoses, electronics, new rad, upgraded digital fan. We got the nice mags, tires, and wheels on here. We actually have brakes for a change and gauges that tell us what the engine is doing. That's neat. This car is perfect. I think it's a great hot rod. Now, obviously, there's only so much testing a guy can do in his hayfield, so we called a local dirt track and asked if we could come out and play, and they said, absolutely, come on down. We're gonna have a little bit of fun with the Bel Air. Now, obviously, it's not gonna be anywhere close to as fast as the cars that actually race here. So that being said, we brought my Monte Carlo back here, which also really isn't that fast. It's got numbers on the door and a supercharger. But we're gonna establish a baseline with that car because it's also not set up. And then we're gonna each take turns with the Bel Air, try to get as close as we can, and see who runs the fastest lap out of 3 laps. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Get in your car. Wait, I'm going on this one first. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
It doesn't start.
Hammer on it!
So I'm just gonna go out and get a feel for it.
Oh.
He is bumpy.
How's it going in there? Does it need a little more wedge or something?
Not designed for this.
Was that an alien or were you trying to talk?
Understeer! Carburetor bad!
Oh, yeah! Wall over there. There's a wall there.
All right, here we go. We're gonna set a time. It's gonna go hot this time.
Days of Thunder. Dude, that guy told me a 8-year-old went around there in 17 seconds, right? $21.99 was that one.
I didn't like that lap. Early apex. Let's try to go a little higher.
He's starting to really do it now.
There we go. What do we got?
1994.
I'll be dipped. The hobby stock guys out here, which is kind of the muscle car, rear wheel drive, just cars that look like this. They run about a 17 and a half out here. Pretty decent. Now let's see what the Bel Air can do on some snow tires. Your GoPro is...
Looks like a big turd on it.
Go to the track, going hot. Boy, this one's a whole different animal. First of all, brakes don't really come in at all. Manual steering. Suspension is, well, it's not suspensioning very good.
$22.99.
Buy a dirt track, you were asking? This is mine. We got smoke. We got smoke. Get the hood open. Oh. Well, come here. I'm trying to check your temperature. Found it. Small electrical fire. Oh, these wires got wrapped around the steering column from out the go left action, and arced out. No big deal. Electro-digital tape, back in the throttle. What was my time?
21.22.
Wow. Chris is warming up right now. He's never done a dirt track before, and this is kind of a hard one to learn on because of the bang. And I think he's having a stroke by the way that his foot is doing this on the throttle. I'm not really sure. Or maybe that's SOS. Maybe that's his strategy, is wear the transmission out. This is a high bank track, so it's all about momentum when you have low horsepower. Apparently I ran faster in this car than the Monte Carlo. That's because that one has significantly less horsepower, so I was holding the same line around the whole track. 25.08. How did it feel?
Like you can't steer, and then there's no power, so you can't go.
So it doesn't brake, it doesn't steer, it doesn't have power to slide it.
And it doesn't rev up high enough. Well, other than that, it's a great dirt
rig?
track car.
Should I go try it in first gear?
I mean, you might as well.
Well, we just watched the owner run his car around the track, and we found out that the Supers can run down into the 12s here. So that's really motivated me to run like a 20.973.4 seconds. Maybe. We'll see if the Bel Air's got it. Either way, Chris is gonna have to beat it. Pretty good. I think I might have beat it. I beat it, didn't I?
It was 19.97.
Really?
Yeah.
So keep it in first, man. This thing.
It's way better.
Oh, than the four barrel and stuff. And it's almost perfect. You're at about 5,000 RPM right when you pitch the car. So what was the difference? 0.03 of a second? You're talking door-to-door racing right there. Naturally aspirated 350 with the Power Glide, worn out everything on way too small of snow tires, versus a supercharged 400 with a turbo 400 transmission and 15x10 dirt track tires. Interesting. The old Bel Air can bring it. That was a lot of fun. The Bel Air ended up running 300 slower than the Monte Carlo, but I gotta do it. I'm gonna declare this car the winner because just a few days ago it was buried in chest-high weeds and missing a bunch of parts. Now it's out here slinging dirt. We're having fun with it. I think I nailed it on this car as far as a hot rod goes. Just something we can enjoy, drive for now, build over time. That's gonna do it for this episode of Roadworthy Rescues, but stay tuned. There's a lot more to save.